pull the hood over your camera. I'm sticking this way too fast. So when I record my, that's a typo. One last time, here we go. Is time getting in the way of you creating videos and getting your message out there? Creating videos can be really time consuming. But what if you could record a month's worth of videos in just one day? Today, I'm going to show you a tool that I use to create almost all of my videos to cut my recording time down to a fraction of what it used to be. I feel my strength lies in writing more than speaking off the cuff. So I use a teleprompter or auto cue to smash out my video content and get multiple videos recorded in one sitting. If I'm going to spend the time putting a face on, cleaning up my office, setting up my gear, I want to make the most of it by recording more than one video. Using the teleprompter has decreased my editing time dramatically. I used to come away with half an hour, 45 minutes of me stumbling over my sentences to create a 10-minute, even a 5-minute video. Just like the pros who read the news, you can get a portable teleprompter to use with a tablet or a smartphone and read a pre-written script instead of trying to come up with content on the fly. The teleprompter isn't for everyone. Working with lots of different people with and without the teleprompter, I've seen a lot of mixed feelings about using it. If you are a natural speaker and perform best when you're talking off the cuff about your business, you may find the auto cue actually cramps your style and hinders the way you record your videos. But if you prefer to write and you want to turn your blog posts and articles into videos without having to worry about missing any of the important stuff, a teleprompter could be a really great option for you. So how does it work? Most teleprompters will have a stand, a base for the tablet or phone, and a glass panel that reflects the scrolling text, as well as a dark cover that stops the light coming in so that you can actually see the text on the reflection. The one that I'm using here with my iPad is linked in the description below, as well as a mini version that you can use for your smartphone. Let's set it up step by step. First, set up the stand to a mid-range height and screw the base onto the top. Then slide the glass panel into the base. Attach the hood at the top of the glass and hook the elastic loops around the base. Set up your camera behind your auto cue so the lens is about in the center of the glass panel. Pull the hood over to cover the camera. Turn your camera on and see if you need to adjust the height of the teleprompter so the base or hood is out of shot. You will also need a teleprompter app to run your scripts. There are a few options linked in the description below for you to have a look at. Now you can either write a script straight into your app or email it to yourself to copy and paste. You can adjust the roll speed and size of your text to suit your preference and your reading speed. Lay your tablet or phone on the base of your teleprompter and make sure the text is reflecting right in front of your camera lens, so it looks like you're looking straight down the barrel of the camera. And that's it. It's time to get recording. A few notes about talking with the teleprompter. Your first attempt will probably sound a bit like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of using auto cue for your videos. It can take some practice to get out of the headspace of just reading the words to be able to deliver your script with conviction. When you speak to camera, about 10% of your energy drops as soon as it hits the lens. It makes a big difference to your on-camera performance. If you give it a little bit more, then you might feel natural to start with. A bit of overemphasis and some over-dramatization can give your script a real lift. When you're reading from a script, it's even more important to keep in mind that you're talking to a person on the other side of the screen. When you're reading through, make sure it feels natural for you. that you're using language that you would when you talk ordinarily. If it does feel unnatural and uncomfortable for you when you read it, it will definitely come across uncomfortable and unnatural for your viewer watching it. For some tips on how to target your language, content, and energy, check out this video to learn the one-person visualization technique. When I use the teleprompter, I spend quite a lot of time getting my scripts right beforehand. Once I have a few scripts ready to go, I plan my filming session. It takes about half an hour to set up my space for recording, a bit of time putting some makeup on, but then I can record my scripts almost in real time with very minimal editing on the back end. Like any skill, using a teleprompter takes practice, but it could save you literally hours of recording time once you get into the swing of using it. Let me know how you go in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more video techniques and check out these videos for more tips and ideas. I'll see you there.